So what's in it for I? If when I look, I say I can't or couldn't come to the fact, I came a long way with this. Role models stand while others fall. After all the knowledge, life taught. What's in it for I? If when I question I reality, I live in a life only pleasing to others. What's in it for I ideas and opinions will only and ever be gone or is going to waste. So then, sitting still will and always be against I will. What's in it for I? If I be afraid of opening my mouth, even I acquaintance. The astuteness in times of need, avant-garde, should be grudgingly thought of in life in thoughts. Congenital values, purpose and reasons being manifest. The inculation becomes a customarized human. What's in it for I?
Blessed.
What do you mean?
I. What's in
Alright.
it for I? That's the question.